All right, Unit 5, conic sections, quiz 1. It's loading, hold on. All right, what are the foci of this ellipse? Okay, so f squared equals the major radius, which is 35. 35 minus 17 squared equals 18. Root 18 represents foci. We're gonna add root 18 to root 35. Root 35, right? Yeah, we're gonna add root 18 to root 35. That for the foci, because the major radius is the y value. So it's centered at the origin. Okay, so 35 minus root 18. Oh wait, so we're just gonna add root 18. We don't need. So we're just gonna add root 18 plus or minus root 18 to the y. Plus or minus root 18 to the y, and that's d. Nice. Equation number, okay, what is its center? It's -3, -2. From this here, -3, -2. -3, -2. Major radius is 9, because 9 is greater than 4. And root 81, so root 81 is greater than root 16. Minor radius is 4. Write the equation of the ellipse graph below. So the center's at 1, 2. So x minus 1 squared over, we'll find out later, plus y minus 2 squared. So this represents a squared plus and b squared. They represent the magnitude. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for the y. So 4 squared is 16. That's 16. A squared. This is 6. That's 6, right? So this is 36, and obviously all of this equals to 1. So this is the equation. X minus 1 squared over 36, plus y minus 2 squared over 16 equals 1. Nice. Plot the foci of this ellipse. Okay, so the distance here is 7.5, because 8.5 minus 1, and there it's 8.5, because 9.5 minus 1 is 8.5. So I'll use this equation. So the major radius is the y-axis, so I'll use b squared minus a squared, and the foci is what we're trying to find. B squared is that is 8.5 squared minus 7.5 squared. Enter this in my calculator. And this is just the Pythagorean theorem. You get 16 equals f squared. F equals 4. We add 4 minus 4 from the major radius, which is the y here. So plus 4 is 1, 5, and minus 4 is 1, -3. 1, 5 and 1, -3. 1, -3 and 1, 5. Nice. Write the equation of a foreign ellipse. Centered at the origin, which is foci at 0, plus or minus 24, and co-vertices at plus or minus 10, 0. So when I look at this, I already know the major radius is at it's on the y-axis, because the foci is on the y-axis. And okay, so I'll just set up the equation first. F squared equals b squared minus a squared. B represents the major radius, which is on the y-axis. So the full size squared is 24 squared. That I believe is 5. Hold on, I need to check. 576. Yeah, 576. Instead of writing 24 squared, I'll just write 576. 576 equals, and we don't know. We're trying to find b because this is a squared. Those are the covertices. So minus 10 squared at 100 on both sides. 636 equals b squared. 676 roots of 676 is 26. So b equals 26. But we don't need to find this because the equation only needs that. So, and also 10 squared equals 100. So it's x squared over 100 because that correlates with the x value, and plus y squared, and again this is at the origin, y squared over 676 equals 1. So x squared over 100 plus y squared over 676 equals 1. Nice. Alright, that's Unit 5, Quiz 1. Hyperbolas next.